Brace yourself for a discovery that will leave you frozen in fear. Join us as we venture deep beneath the ice of Antarctica, where a team of scientists made a discovery that defied all expectations. What they uncovered will have you on the edge of your seat, and you won't believe what they found. So get ready for a chilling journey to the bottom of the world. Under the ice, a secret world. Using a large hot water drill, scientists discovered a previously unknown ecosystem that resides in an underground river located beneath the Larsen Ice Shelf's frozen top. The covered habitat is located in a sizable chamber that is about 1,640 feet, 500 meters, below the ice's surface. After spotting an odd groove in a satellite photograph of the ice sheet, scientists discovered the underground structure, but they never expected to find anything within when they eventually dug down to explore it. Mapped is a new deepest point. The Factorian Deep was just found in 2019. It lies at a depth of about 24,400 feet, 7,437 meters, below the ocean's surface, or 17 Empire State Buildings stacked top to bottom. But up until this point, scientists were unaware of how it interacted with the nearby seafloor. The new map, which covers more than 18.5 million square miles of the seafloor, is based on more than 1,200 sonar datasets, the majority of which were obtained by science vessels. The sea bottom map will be used by researchers to locate any seamounts or underwater mountains that might be marine life hotspots. Contradictory bottom blooming. The amount of chlorophyll A, a pigment used by algae and other plants during photosynthesis, was measured in the water deep beneath sea ice in Antarctica by researchers using deep diving floats. They discovered that there was probably a significant concentration of phytoplankton there. Scientists believe that by maximizing the amount of light available to them, a reduction in the quantity and longevity of sea ice brought on by climate change may assist support these bottom blooms. 1-million-year-old DNA. While taking routine samples of bottom sediment in the Scotia Sea, researchers unintentionally discovered DNA from ancient microbes, some of which are about 1 million years old. The ancient genetic material, which goes back between 1 million years and about 540,000 years ago, was recovered from the bottom at depths of up to 178 meters. Risk to Doomsday Glacier. Thwaites Glacier in Antarctica, also known as the Doomsday Glacier, was observed by underwater robots to be clinging to the seafloor by its fingernails. Once it separates, it may meet its end sooner than predicted because of its quick speed and a sharp increase in ice loss. During previously unrecognized phases of fast retreat within the last several centuries, the glacier scraped down the ocean floor, leaving behind a sequence of parallel grooves, according to a new map of the seafloor encircling the glacial behemoth. Massive underground river found. Researchers used ice-penetrating radar mounted on aircraft to find a large subsurface river that runs beneath 4 different ice sheets. The river drains melting ice from a territory the size of France and Germany put together and empties into the Weddell Sea. It is longer than the Thames in England. Global sea levels might rise by 14.1 feet, 4.3 meters, if the entire region melted as a result of climate change, which could have disastrous effects. Fish nests. When scientists on an icebreaker ship in Antarctica discovered a wealth of 60 million icefish nests littering the bottom of the Weddell Sea, they were astounded. Using a subsea video feed from a scientific vessel that was primarily trying to investigate whales, the nests were accidentally found. The nests were spaced roughly 93 square miles apart, 240 square kilometers. Each nest, which held on average 1,700 eggs, was guarded by a parent fish. Additionally, the region was covered in icefish carcasses, indicating that this enormous icefish colony is a crucial component of the neighborhood ecosystem and most likely provides food for Weddell seals. The vast lake beneath the ice. Under the East Antarctic ice sheet, a city-sized lake was found by researchers. After 3 years of intensive airborne scans over the ice sheet using radar and specialized sensors made to monitor minute variations in Earth's gravity, the crew finally found the lake. It may contain sediments from rivers that are 34 million years older than the ice sheet itself, according to experts, which could provide insight into Antarctica's past before the continent froze. Concurrent polar heat waves. This year, temperatures quickly rose to previously unheard-of heights in some areas as Earth's two polar regions endured unprecedented simultaneous heat waves. As spring approaches in the Northern Hemisphere, the Arctic is just beginning to defrost and Antarctica is beginning to freeze after months of summer melt, making it exceedingly unusual to observe high temperatures over both polar regions at the same time. The biggest iceberg in the world bids adieu. Usually, when icebergs enter the Drake Passage, strong ocean currents quickly push them eastward before whipping them northward into warmer seas, where they quickly melt away. A 76E's ultimate fate is unknown, as well as its time of death at sea. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more discovery videos like this. See you in the next one.